So tell the folks what the forecast was.
The forecast was light rain.
So what's heavy rain going to be? If this is light rain, what's heavy rain going to be like? Clueless. We have no idea.
No idea.
None. So the power's out. We've got a major storm. Oh my gosh, look at this. Our awning has been destroyed. Well, not the awning, the gazebo that we had on the deck here. Just gone. Oh my. Right, let's go and see what the damage is from last night. Oh my gosh, it was just incredible. So we had this major storm, and you can see that's what happened to our gazebo. And look, there's branches and debris everywhere, but I've really got to show you what's going on over here. It's just insane. There's well, you can see there that tree has fallen over halfway, and then we've got another tree just here right across the road.
Coming down hot and heavy.
Oh man, is this just insane, eh? How are you, man?
How you doing?
Yeah, very well.
Hey, this is
the
disaster.
I'm amazed that nobody's got injured or there's no vehicles damaged.
Oh God, this was blocked last night coming in. That was blocked up there, up by the rec center. There's another one. Down to the D's, there's another one.
Crazy.
The path down here, there was 20 cars in here last night trying to come up.
Yeah. Wow.
Victory Resort, we're in the making of a disaster. We're going to come together as a community. We're going to clean
up. Yeah, we'll clean it all up.
RVR will live strong.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Okay, so it looks like we're going to get a lot of firewood. At least nobody got injured, that's the good thing. And as you saw earlier in the video, there was just one vehicle that got damaged, and that's one thing we can be thankful of. Wow, well that brings us to the end of this very short video, but I can assure you it was absolutely terrifying last night, and I do mean terrifying. We didn't know whether to go to sleep, whether to hook up and evacuate the campground or wherever, but yeah, it's one of those that you just think, I hope this never happens again, because as I say, it was very scary. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.